Hello guys, after the Song Song couple split, there has been little news about actor Song Joong Ki. If you're curious to know what he has been up to, here are 20 facts about the charismatic captain from the Descendant of the Sun.
네네.
진짜 좋아했어요.
언제부터?
나왔을 때부터
나왔을
좋아했어요.
때부터 좋아했어요.
네, 그래서 진짜 좋아했는데.
성균관 스캔들 때부터.
네, 그래서
예.
막 프로필이면 배경화면이냐 홈화면이냐 다 그랬는데 만나게 되니까 너무 좋은 거예요. 그래서
지금 오빠들이 이런 모습 처음 보나 봐요, 수아냐. 그랬어요.
Was a speed skater. Song Joong Ki was born on 19 September 1985 in Daejeon, South Korea. He was short track speed skater for a total of 10 years during his school days. He won awards at the National Sport Festival and several large sports meets. Unfortunately, the young athlete had to give up his speed skating career after suffering an ankle injury in junior high school. Song Joong Ki also acted as a national speed skater in Triple in 2009.
홍준기 선수부터 먼저 쇼트랙 한번 보여줘요. 간단하게 쇼트랙. 오, 턴 손잡고 하는 거. 오, 와, 야 진짜 선수 많네. 자, 크로스오버. 오, 지금 스파이더. 오, 야.
Good, that was good technique, good posture, and nice smile.
The nation's pretty boy. The actor is often referred to as a pretty boy or flower boy. At Sungkyuan University, he was known as the school's Alzang best face in Korean and Amchina, which literally translates to mom's friend's son. The term is used to describe someone who is perfect in everything, be it looks or abilities. Studied business administration. There's more to Song Joong Ki than his looks alone. The star was a straight A student in high school and was the student boy president. He obtained 380 out of 400 points on the National Entrance College exam and graduated from Sungkyuan University in 2005 with a degree in business administration. Rejected his first car industry. However, he rejected the offer as he wasn't ready and wasn't interested in acting at that point in time. He eventually started his acting journey during his third year of university when he felt he was sure about trying out to become an actor. Made his debut in an erotic movie. He kicked off his acting career with a minor part in A Frozen Flower in 2008. The erotic movie starred Jo In-sung and Song Ji-hyo, who would eventually become his good friends. Gained recognition with Sungkyuan Scandal. Song Joong Ki's breakthrough role was in Sungkyuan Scandal in 2010, where he played a wealthy playboy. Coincidentally, the story was set in Joseon Dynasty. Sungkyuan, a prestigious educational institution now known as Sungkyuan University, aka Song Joong Ki's alma mater.
도적?
불이야!
Was a regular member of a variety show. The actor was one of the original cast members of the popular variety show Running Man. He appeared in episode 1 to 41 of the show from his 2010 to 2011 but left after a year to further his acting career. Rose to fame with A Werewolf Boy. The actor's first lead role was a feral boy who behaves like an untamed beast in the film. A Werewolf Boy in 2012, the movie sold over 7 million tickets and was a huge hit in Korea.
달라. 말도 못하고 힘도 이상하게 쓰잖아.
가라고 이 바보야. 너 지금 가서 잡히면 죽는단 말이야.
Solidified his star status with Descendant of the Sun. Having starred in several successful works, Song Joong Ki was already a household name in Korea. His star status was solidified after playing the dashing captain Yoo Si-jin in Descendant of the Sun in 2016. Ratings in Korea hit 40.5% and the Korean drama was sold to a total of 32 countries.
그쪽은요?
강모연입니다.
의사면 남친 없겠네요. 바빠서.
군인이면 여친 없겠네요. 빡세서.
Due to his popularity from Descendant of the Sun, the actor even had a special interview segment on 9 p.m. news, making him the first actor to ever guest star on the news. Married and divorced, his co-star. Before Yeonbin and Soejin had fans convinced they were a couple IRL due to their chemistry on Crash Landing on You, there was Song Joong Ki and Song Hye Kyo. The pair started dating while filming Descendant of the Sun in mid-2015 and got married on 31st October 2017. When the news was revealed, the response was generally favorable, with fans celebrating the happy occasion. To the disappointment of many, the couple confirmed their divorce on 22nd July 2019. After 20 months of marriage, they stated that the reason behind their divorce was a difference in personalities. Song Joong Ki was also reported to have moved out of their Marshall home in September 2018, just 11 months after their wedding. There has been little news with regard to Song Joong Ki's personal life after his divorce. Most recently, pictures of him at a get-together with his friends surfaced online. Is best friend with Lee Kwang-soo. Song Joong Ki and Lee Kwang-soo have been BFFs since their Running Man days. Their dynamic seemed to have remained the same over the years, with Song Joong Ki constantly roasting Lee Kwang-soo.
안녕하세요, 흥중입니다. 안녕하세요, 이광수입니다. 네, 오늘 누구 초대로 오셨나요? 예, 저는 도경수 씨 초대로 왔습니다. 저도 도경수 씨 초대로 왔는데. 아, 반갑습니다. 아, 반갑습니다.
만담으로 노래.
잘 보고 가겠습니다. 순정. 파이팅! 파이팅!
Is close to several popular actors. The actor is also good friends with other actors in the Korean entertainment industry, namely Jo In-sung, Cha Tae-yeon, and Park Bo-gum. Interestingly, both Park Bo-gum and Jo In-sung had acted alongside Song Joong Ki's ex-wife Song Hye Kyo. Jo In-sung and Song Hye Kyo played the leads in That Winter, The Wind Blows in 2013, while Park Bo-gum starred in Encounter 2018. Carried out his military service near North Korea. Song Joong Ki was a stellar soldier during his time in the military. He was dispatched to the DMZ to carry out several reconnaissance and stakeout operations. The actor also cited his military service as a significant experience in his life, saying, "I was told I would never get another chance to rub shoulders with ordinary soldiers and live a normal life. I felt I would be able to learn a lot, not only as an actor but also as a young man."
제가 바로 여기 또 우리 2학년, 3학년 우리 학생들 앞에서 노래를 감상하고 있었는데 제 뒤에 감상하면 미안해요. 제가 아저씨가 까먹어서 하네. 미안해요. 아저씨를 잘 모르니까 한번 다시 한번 소개를 하는데 아저씨는 뭐라고 해야 될까? 아저씨는 600소년이에요.
Released a book about skincare. The actor is known for his flawless skin and released a book named Beautiful Skin Project in 2010 about skincare for men. The book was a huge success and was re-released in Japan in 2013.
케어 방법이 복잡하지만 남자분들은 다 똑같고요. 일단 기본적인 항상 세안을 청결하게 하고, 그리고 저는 기초 제품밖에 사용을 안 하거든요. 예, 그다음에 마스크팩, 그냥 세안제 댄디건이라는, 그리고 또 스크럽 제품들도 좋고요. 제가 가장 많이 사용하는 제품은 기본 미스트라든지 아니면 플로리아, this one, 이 정도.
Is a tech noob. To date, the Korean star has no social media account and attributes that to the simple fact that he isn't tech savvy. In the interview, he honestly admits, "I avoid social media because I am not good at it."
SNS를 왜 안 하시는지 궁금합니다.
그 질문에 대한 다양한 의견들이 있더라고요. 주변에서도 그렇고. 근데 되게 간단한 이유고요. 제가 기계치라고 하죠. 네, 잘 못해서 안 하는 거고요. 예, 못 하는 거죠.
Dreamt of becoming a diplomat. Among his many dreams as a kid, the Descendant of the Sun actor mentioned that he wanted to become a diplomat at one point in his life. Apart from that, he also thought about becoming a staff member in a broadcasting company and an actor, which he achieved. Is in touch with his emotions. The tough captain Yoo Si-jin in Descendant of the Sun is not afraid to shed tears in public. While receiving the grand prize for Descendant of the Sun at the KBS Drama Awards in 2016, he said, "I cried a lot during filming whenever I got stressed, so much so that my nickname was Crybaby." Song Joong Ki has also mentioned that he often cries after finishing a project, even when his co-stars do not. After filming the last scene for A Werewolf Boy in 2012 and The Innocent Man in 2012, he was spotted crying while hugging the other cast members and staff. So guys, if you have been anticipating Song Joong Ki's next step after his high-profile divorce, hold on tight as you wait for all the new movies and drama series coming your way. So guys, if you like this video, please comment in the comment section below and subscribe our channel for more updates. Thank you so much guys.